Okay, so another thing, guys, the speculations is going on that Rohit Sharma can retire after the ODI series, but in my opinion, I don't think this thing is gonna happen. So it's going to happen because Rohit Sharma is a fine player, and let me tell you one thing: without him, the team will be empty because this team is just standing because of Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. So that that's what things are there. And okay, guys, so till then, see you guys in the next one, and bye bye, bye bye. And that's only we make. See that? Okay, sure, okay. And this is there's a lot of headache happening. Bye bye.